Increasing your revenue is a simple approach to improving your financial status. There are several ways to improve your financial situation, whether reducing your debt or saving for the future. A raise or a new job may not always be an option for increasing your salary. Where a solid side hustle may step in and fill the void is exactly where you want it to. However, not all side hustles are the same. Giving up your cherished spare time should be accompanied by a significant increase in your bank account balance. Side hustle income of at least $1,000 per month is possible with any one of the following 7 jobs. Most likely, you already possess the necessary expertise or pastimes. Welcome back to Capital Finance, your go-to channel for business ideas, entrepreneurship, investment, and personal finance. Now, in this video, let's explore side hustles that could potentially earn you passive income on top of your full-time job. Excited? Let's not wait any longer. And let's begin. 1. Become a VA or virtual assistant. Virtual assistants who work remotely may make anywhere from $14,000 to $124,000 per year, according to ZipRecruiter's estimates. Surely this is superior to any job that requires a full-time commitment, right? Virtual assistants are capable of performing administrative and accounting responsibilities, in addition to providing services connected to digital marketing, such as email marketing, content authoring, social media management, website maintenance, and a great deal more. If you are skilled in a specific area and are interested in providing services over the internet, being a virtual assistant or VA can be your best option. It is yet another good side gig that has potential to significantly boost your income. 2. Become a freelance writer. Do you consider yourself someone who enjoys writing? Then you may consider working as a freelance writer on the side. Freelance writers bring in a salary that is not only respectable but also far more than that of any full-time work. You may begin writing for online publications, print periodicals, or even work as a ghostwriter for online bloggers. You can even work for some magazines as a devoted member of the staff writing team. If you are curious about how you may get started, the first thing you need to do is polish your talents as a writer and then begin pitching your ideas to magazines that are related to your field. This particular specialized market may be challenging to get into, but you will never want to leave it once you do so. 3. Become a blogger. Blogging is always regarded as the most lucrative of the many side hustles that one may do in order to supplement their income. I am not trying to give you the impression that you are going to become wealthy overnight, because to tell you the truth, that is not going to happen. This side job will demand you to educate yourself, concentrate on techniques, and give you valuable information to your audience. The most enjoyable aspect of running a blog is communicating your expertise to your audience. You won't realize the full earning potential of this hustle until you devote your attention to the appropriate tactics. Blogging is my side hustle, and out of all the many side hustles I've attempted, this one has proven to be the most financially beneficial. If you want to be successful as a blogger, you need to write about topics that interest you and provide other people with excellent information that inspires and assists them. This side business has practically endless earning potential. There are bloggers that earn 7 figures each month. And if you put in a lot of effort, you can join the ranks of those bloggers who have achieved that level of success. Number 4. Become an SEO consultant. A side hustle as a search engine optimization or SEO expert is an excellent option for you if you have a penchant for intellectual pursuits and enjoy the challenge of dissecting various aspects of the world. Although search engine optimization or SEO is complicated and not appropriate for amateurs, there are a ton of courses accessible online that can assist you in getting started with this side job. A freelance SEO consultant can charge anywhere from $35 to $75 per hour, with the rate increased based on the kind of services provided and the consultant's level of expertise. Someone who is quite adept at diving deep into Google would be well suited to take advantage of this side hustle opportunity. 5. Become a proofreader and editor. There is a side hustle that is tailor-made for people like you if you have a strong command of grammar and enjoy editing various types of texts. Proofreaders and editors are the people who are responsible for making sure that every written article is correct and sounds excellent. The sort of content that a proofreader is responsible for often determines the hourly wage that they receive, which ranges anywhere from $21 to $28 on average. This side business needs you to have some experience in the past. Nevertheless, there are specific online proofreading organizations that welcome novices. There are helpful courses that can be found online that will teach you all there is to know about proofreading, which you can take advantage of if you want to get started with this side business. 6. Become a home stager. It's possible that you haven't heard of this business opportunity, but home staging may be a lucrative side gig. Home staging is described as the art of dressing up a property so that it may be sold instantly and at the price range the seller desires. For those who are unfamiliar with the term, home staging refers to the art of dressing up a house in order to make it more marketable. Home stagers put their imaginative skills to work to make everything appear flawless and encourage prospective buyers to immediately submit an offer. The starting wage for a house stager may be on the low end, but on average, this profession brings in between $50 and $150 per hour for its workers. This side business will not only help you bring in a lot of money, but will also provide you the opportunity to demonstrate your organizational and creative talents. 7. Become a transcriptionist. Transcription is one of the most common options for a supplementary income that many people who remain at home with their children choose to pursue. This is presumably attributable to the fact that starting this hustle requires a relatively low level of competence. You merely need to have decent typing skills and an ear for different kinds of regional accents to be successful in this position. By offering transcribing services, you may make a very respectable living even if you do it on a full-time basis. A generic transcriptionist may expect to make around $25 per hour on average in terms of compensation. Whether it be for legal, medical, or general transcription, many internet businesses use remote workers to transcribe documents, films, and audios for them. Some of the media types that may be transcribed include legal, medical, and general. In addition to generating additional cash through side hustles, you can also give back to the community and satisfy your inner drive by engaging in activities that might be used to other people. After dabbling in a few different types of work, many of the people I am acquainted with have concluded that their primary vocations in life should be, "It took place to me, and it's possible that it may take place to you." Furthermore, a good side hustle adds value to your resume too. When you work a side hustle, you might pick up valuable talents in other contexts. You can acquire skills such as management of customer service, management of deadlines, and leadership, for instance. In addition, you have the opportunity to develop new technical skills that can facilitate your transfer into a new line of work. Because of this, including a side hustle on your CV might be a perfect move to make. It gives recruiters another place to search for evidence that applicants possess the abilities they require. And that's the end of this video. Have you now considered having a side hustle to add to your income? Comment your ideas and plans below, and let's discuss. Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.